Are you curious about how people get those mysterious invisible names on Telegram? Maybe you've seen it in a group chat, someone with a blank username, and you're wondering how that's possible. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through every step you need to create your own invisible name on Telegram. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up, and you'll impress your friends with a username that's seemingly hidden in plain sight. Let's jump right in. So first off, you'll want to open up your Telegram app. If you're on mobile, look towards the top left corner for the little icon with 3 lines called the hamburger menu, and it's your gateway to Telegram's main settings. Tap that menu to open up your navigation panel. Now take a moment to spot your profile picture or username at the top of the list. Go ahead and tap that. This brings you straight into your profile settings. We're heading here because you need to change your username, and this is where all the magic happens. Once you're in your profile, take a deep breath and make sure you're in the right place. You should see your profile details like your current display name and username. Don't rush, accuracy matters, especially when you're editing personal information. Next, you'll need to get your hands on a blank character. You might be wondering, why not just leave the username field empty? Well, Telegram won't save a truly empty username, but it does accept certain invisible Unicode characters that look blank to us but are technically present. This is what we're going to use. To get this invisible character, open up your browser and head to a website called blanktext.com. The site is designed exactly for this purpose. Once it loads, you'll see options to copy different kinds of blank or invisible text. For Telegram, the default blank character generally works perfectly. Simply click the copy button next to the blank character, and don't worry if it seems like nothing happens. The character is invisible, so your clipboard now holds something you just can't see. Think of it like picking up a clear glass marble. You know it's there, just invisible to the naked eye. Now go back to your Telegram profile and locate your username field. Tap to edit it, and when the keyboard pops up, simply tap and hold, then choose Paste. You won't see anything appear, but rest assured that blank character is there. This part is important. When you're ready, tap the checkmark or save button. Telegram will accept your new username. Even though it looks empty, the app recognizes the invisible character as a valid entry. It might feel a little odd, almost like a magician's trick, but it's just a smart use of Unicode. If you don't see your username appear blank right away, don't stress. Sometimes it takes a moment for Telegram to update, especially if you're switching between apps. Try closing and reopening your profile or check how your name looks in a chat. You should now have an invisible username, and from here on out, you'll blend right into the background, a neat way to stand out by not standing out at all. And that's all there is to it. You've officially joined the ranks of Telegram users with an invisible name. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to learn more Telegram tricks. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update on clever digital hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.